I teach undergraduate students every spring, and I teach a course on embryonic development. And I open that course by saying that one of my goals for my students is that by the end of the semester that they would think that embryos are cool. And I start by pointing out that people have been thinking about embryos for a long time. And one of my favorite passages that reflects that is from the Hebrew part of the Bible, a poem called Psalm 139. And there the psalmist is considering all that God is involved in, and he's reflecting on the fact that God is everywhere. And in fact, God was present when the person writing this poem was an embryo. And he reflects on that. And he doesn't really understand how embryonic processes work, but he says that in some sense, through the processes of development, God wove him in his mother's womb. And he further says that he is fearfully and wonderfully made. In other words, the processes by which he himself came about are absolutely awesome, and it fills him with a sense of wonder. And so for me, that's kind of what drives what I do too, that these fearful and wonderful processes, I mean, what a joy. I mean, what a privilege it is. I get to study these things. I get to understand them in ways that no one else has thus far understood them. That is amazing. And for me, that's an exciting thing that I get to do, and something that really flows in profound ways out of my own Christian faith.